Thank you. Characteristics, which should it be and why?
Thank you for the wonderful question. I believe po na kung ako ang tatanungin about sa physical characteristic na gusto kong baguhin, ang aking pong sagot ay wala. Dahil po ako ay kontento nga sa aking sarili. Bagamat nire-respeto ko po ang ibang tao na binago ang kanilang sarili para sa kanilang kumpiyansa, I believe na ang self-love ay nagsisimula sa sariling kumpiyansa. Ayun lamang po, and I thank you.
How do you plan to use your platform to inspire and create positive change in your community?
Thank you for that wonderful question. As a Mutyan in Sabang Banwa, I know that I am very dedicated in promoting education for everyone. Not just education, but a quality education. And I believe that a true education could open a multiple good opportunities for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 3.
To be belong. Do you want to be different or do you want to be belong? In Tagalog, mas nais mo bang maging kakaiba o mas gusto mo mapabilang?
Idol.
Ang pagiging maginiba ay pagiging totoo sa sarili. Totoo sa sarili at pagtitiwala sa sarili. By constantly carrying the weight both of home and work, while overcoming the challenges and discrimination. As the ilaw ng tahanan, we shine through it all. But it's time to break the stigma. Women are more than capable, and we will continue to rise, lead, and inspire. And that will be all. Thank you.
You want it Tagalog? Okay? In Tagalog, sa iyong palagay, ano ang pinakamahalagang katangian na dapat taglayin ng isang babae upang magtagumpay sa makabagong mundo?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong magandang katanungan. Ang mahalagang katangian ng isang babae sa panahon ngayon ay ang pagiging isang matatag. Dahil kapag matatag ka, kahit ilang beses kang madapa, ay patuloy ka pa rin babangon.
ng baluhin ang isang pangunahing gusto kailangan ng karamihan sa buong mundo? Ano ito at bakit? Muli, kung may kapangyarihan kang baluhin ang isang pangunahing isyong kinaharap ng mga kababaihan sa buong mundo, ano ito at bakit?
I believe that if I could change one major issue affecting the women globally, that would be the gender-based violence. Because I believe that no woman deserve that deserve act, and every woman should feel safe and feel secured in their surroundings. Thank you.
Want to convey to all young women tonight, or the youth, is that always believe in yourself and never give up. No matter what challenges you are facing on, remember that those challenges are the ones that shape who you are and make you an empowered individual. And an empowered individual can affect a lot of people in their surroundings. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. And so we're done with our final for our question and answer portion for our casual interview. Okay, we're done with our preliminary round and we're going to give our awards in a bit. But before that, again, we would like to thank the following. We'd like to thank Barangay Captain Honorable Mario M. Manalo, good evening po.